Welcome to StudyKwik. Let us solve a navigation problem. What is the final position after the following Rhumb Line tracks and distances have been followed from position 60 degrees north, 0 minutes, 30 degrees west, south for 3,600 nautical miles, east for 3,600 nautical miles, north for 3,600 nautical miles, west for 3,600 nautical miles? Let us solve it. First, we calculate the final leg flying west by using the departure formula. Distance is equal to change in longitude times 60 times cosine, latitude. Given. Distance is equal to 3,600 nautical miles. Latitude is equal to 60 degrees. Replacing these values in departure formula. 3,600 is equal to change in longitude times 60 times cos 60 degrees. Change in longitude equals 3,600 nautical miles divided by the product of 60 and 0.5, which is 3,600 divided by 30, resulting in 120 degrees. Starting from 30 degrees east, after the earlier legs, the new longitude after flying west 120 degrees is calculated by subtracting 120 degrees from 30 degrees east, which equals negative 90 degrees or 90 degrees west. The final position of the aircraft is 60 degrees north latitude and 90 degrees west longitude. So, after these legs, the aircraft ends at 60 degrees north and 90 degrees west.